Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Flowgenix Waterless car wash spray is probably one of the most innovative solutions for car owners who want to maintain a pristine vehicle without the hassle of traditional washing methods, offering a quick, effective, and eco-friendly way to achieve a showroom shine right in your driveway or even at a parking spot, making it an indispensable tool for busy individuals and car enthusiasts alike who value both time and a spotless appearance. Number 5. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Ceramic Waterless Detailer. Introducing the Fortify Quick Coat from Shine Armor. This advanced formula acts as a waterless wash, wax, and ceramic coating, all in one convenient spray. Achieve a deep, reflective shine that looks like a mirror. This premium ceramic coating for cars also forms a slick protective layer, made right here in the USA for quality you can trust. Our innovative formula bonds to your car's paint in just 15 minutes. This rapid cure seals in high gloss and durable protection, so you can get back on the road quickly. Simplify your car cleaning routine with this all-in-one waterless wash. It safely lifts dirt and grime while infusing your paint with shine and sealant protection, no buckets or hoses needed. Experience the ease of a spray wax. Simply spray it on and wipe it off to reveal an instant high-gloss finish that beads water beautifully. This isn't just another car wax. Its hybrid formula bonds to your paint for months of durable, water-repellent protection, keeping your car looking its best and easier to maintain. What we like. This product offers a mirror-like gloss and long-lasting protection. It's made in the USA for trusted quality. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to achieve a showroom shine with durable protection, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works great and is easy to use. It leaves the car looking shiny and clean. The spray is effective at removing dirt and grime without scratching the paint. Number 4. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. Experience durable paint protection with our advanced ceramic wax polymers. This shield guards against UV rays and contaminants, keeping your car cleaner for longer. Achieve a stunning, mirror-like finish that enhances your car's paint. It boosts color depth and clarity for a truly high-gloss appearance. Watch water bead and roll right off thanks to its slick surface. This extreme water repellency reduces drying time and prevents water spots. Applying it is simple, just spray on a clean, dry car and buff with a microfiber cloth. You can even apply it in direct sunlight for convenience. This versatile coating is safe for all exterior surfaces. Use it on glass, headlights, trim, and wheels for comprehensive protection. What we like. This offers long-lasting protection against the elements and provides an ultimate shine. Its extreme water repellency means water beads and rolls off instantly. If you want a product that keeps your car cleaner for longer and prevents water spots, this is the one for you. What people say. It leaves a great shine and is easy to use. This product is amazing, it makes my car look like new and it is very convenient to use. I love this product, it makes my car look so clean and shiny. Number 3. Aero Cosmetics Wash Wax All Waterless Car Wash Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for cleaning your vehicle without water. This innovative kit offers a convenient and effective way to achieve a spotless finish. Our patented damp towel method lifts and traps dirt, preventing scratches. Simply spray, wipe with a damp towel, and finish with a dry one for a brilliant shine. Save time with our all-in-one formula. It washes your vehicle and applies a protective wax coating simultaneously, keeping it cleaner for longer. This versatile cleaner is safe for virtually any surface, inside and out. It's water-based and free from harsh chemicals like alcohol or ammonia. Trusted by the aviation industry for decades, our formula meets stringent cleaning specifications. If it's safe for an airliner, it's safe for your car. Use it anywhere, anytime, perfect for situations without access to water. You can also apply it after a traditional wash to enhance shine and protection. What we like. This product utilizes a unique damp towel method to safely lift dirt without scratching. It cleans and protects in one step, saving you time. If you need a versatile cleaner that's safe for virtually any surface on your vehicle, including aircraft, this is an excellent option. What people say. This product is amazing, it leaves the car looking like new. I love how easy it is to use, just spray and wipe. It removes dirt and grime effectively without scratching the paint. Number 2. Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine V5. Tired of the endless water and soap? Discover a smarter way to clean your vehicle. This innovative formula makes washing and shining your car easier than ever. Experience the power of rinseless washing. It effectively lifts dirt and grime without needing a traditional rinse, saving you time and water. Achieve a brilliant shine on all your vehicle's surfaces. It's perfect for paint, ceramic coatings, glass, and even interior surfaces. This car wash soap is tough on dirt but gentle on your vehicle's finish. Enjoy a spotless clean every time you use it. Elevate your auto detailing routine. Get professional level results with minimal effort, leaving your car looking its absolute best. This generous 32-ounce bottle provides ample product for multiple washes. Experience the convenience and superior shine it offers. What we like. This is a highly concentrated rinseless wash that also provides a shine. It's safe for use on paint, ceramic coatings, glass, and interiors. If you're looking for an efficient way to wash your car without a hose and want to maintain your existing protective coatings, this is an ideal solution. What people say. It works great and is very easy to use. This product is amazing, it leaves the car looking like new. Number 1. Flowgenix Grand Finale Waterless Car Wash Spray. Introducing the ultimate solution for a spotless vehicle. This advanced formula cleans and shines without the need for water, buckets, or hoses. Achieve a deep, glossy finish that enhances your vehicle's color. It smooths surfaces, leaving behind a sleek, reflective look. This spray creates a durable, hydrophobic coating. It repels water and protects your paint from debris, maintaining a polished appearance. Use it on paint, chrome, plastic, and glass. It's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more, offering a convenient wash. This kit comes with 2 premium microfiber towels for easy application and buffing. The compact spray bottle ensures convenience and helps maintain your vehicle's look. What we like. This offers an advanced waterless clean that lifts dirt on contact, leaving a showroom shine. It also provides a durable ceramic barrier for added protection. If you have a motorcycle or a vehicle where a quick, residue-free clean and shine is essential, this product is perfect for you. What people say. It works great and leaves the car looking like it was just washed and waxed. This product is amazing, it leaves the car looking like it was just washed and waxed. I love this product, it leaves the car looking like it was just washed and waxed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.